Bhajna Bahu to my tribe, Divya Pandit here. So here I am with a new video for you all. Okay. So few days back I was supposed to come live on YouTube and some technical glitch happened and nothing went properly. I'm so handicapped on social media. I can't even tell you. Okay. You laugh that ma'am is making so many videos but she can't handle most of it. Yes, I can't. I wasn't born with a phone. So yes, with technology. At our time, we didn't have technology. So there was a major technical glitch, but I'm going to come back, doing my live on YouTube. But I went live on Instagram and Facebook and I promised to make a video on Akashic Records to my tribe. So here I am fulfilling my promise. Okay. See, I always believed that I'm a healer, tarot reader. I do astrology, numerology, and I'm also a Tantra Sadhak. I believe that more than everything, I'm a researcher. I call myself a researcher because I research things. I go deep into a lot of topics. Okay. And I love to read. I love to go into depth of everything. So the thing is that when I was researching and reading and learning about Akashic Records, I learned a lot. So I thought I should share it with my tribe, right? So basically, Akashic Records, what does Akash means? Hindi mein, it's a Hindi word, it's a Vedic word, right? Akashic Records. Akash, Brahman, ether, right? Ether है, nothing है वहाँ पे, कुछ भी नहीं है, पर फिर भी सब कुछ है. नहीं होके भी सब कुछ है. Nothing and everything, right? So Akash means ether. It is a space where lot of memory is stored. Now, past life karma is nothing but a memory. I think I've shared this very long time in one of my videos. It is a memory. Karma is a memory, okay? And whatever we go through in this lifetimes is just the memory of our past karma. There was a time, thousands and lakhs of years back, when people actually remembered their past life because they lived for a very long time. They lived beyond 100, right? When they live beyond 100, obviously they are going to remember everything. So past life karma does exist. There are a lot of cultures, lot of people who don't believe in it. Today, our action reactions, the way we conduct our life, our relationships, money, health, everything's related to our past life. Everything, right? So what and how to access this memory? Okay. Akashic Records is basically a memory bank. A memory bank where we have to go and access it and come back. Okay. So how to do that and what is the procedure? There is a very simple, after, like I said, I researched and I have come up with this simple technique. Okay. I'll give you 5 steps. 5 steps to reach your Akashic Records, but you have to do it properly, exactly the way I tell you. No changing the hierarchy. Okay, no changing the hierarchy. You have to follow step by step everything. Now, what do we do when we want to access the Akashic Records, or we want to get into that state of mind where we can access every memory, download it, like how we download things on internet, the same way we are downloading something over here. ठीक है, हम ऊपर से नीचे उसको लेके आ रहे हैं, डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं, so that we can improve our life, cut our patterns, and we can walk smoothly. Right? It sounds easy. It is easy. It's not difficult. It's only about faith and belief. The amount of faith you're going to put in this, the amount of belief systems that you had since your childhood, you are going to break that. You are going to access it faster. So why am I talking about belief system? Belief systems are very important. I'll tell you, our belief system actually blocks everything in our life. Now, I believe that because my ancestors believed that money is bad, or I believe that there is a very strong belief which is breaking now because people are actually working spiritually, that going in media is bad. Okay, there are many such judgments that we hold in ourselves because it is an ancestral thought on a genetic level, on a DNA level. So when we break our belief system, remember, we open ourselves to a lot of good things in our life. You will realize half of your life has been run by your own belief, and those beliefs which are not working for you, right? We are breaking. Women are breaking so many systems which were there since God knows how many decades, right? So first you have to be somebody who is ready to surrender everything. Now you will tell me, ma'am, how to know which belief is there? You have to be ready to surrender. Okay, when you are ready to completely surrender to something, you are breaking your belief system. You're totally giving in. You're just saying, okay, I surrender and I believe and I have faith in whatever I am doing right now. Okay, that is the first step. Now, this is not exactly one of those 5 steps, but this is the beginning. Okay, now before you start, you're going to make a list of questions. You're going to keep that with you. Okay, I will tell you in the 5th last point what questions are those. Now, first thing, when we start anything, we have to balance our sun and our moon, which is our yin and our yang, our masculine and feminine, and we have to remove toxins from our body. Because if we are still having those negative thoughts, feelings, and toxins in our body, we are not going to access the right information. We are not going to download the right information, because like it said, agar aapka energy theek nahi hai, you will attract the wrong energies, right? So what you're going to do is, you're going to first sit in a space, choose any space, okay, which is comfortable for you, maybe in front of your altar or anywhere. You're first going to clear the space by doing dhuwa, smoke, agarbatti, palo santo, you can use anything. Or even energetically, just clap everywhere and just clear the space like this. That is also fine. Okay. Now, clear the space and sit down. Okay. Now, if you are a believer, fine. If you are not a believer, then also fine. Which belief, which I am talking about in spirituality. Okay. If you are non-believer also in spiritual science, you can do this only by having faith in the universe. If you're not following any religion, if you're just, wanting to connect with the source or that one energy up, you don't have to be religious for this practice. Okay, just sit down and clear the space. The first point is breath work. Breath work is very important for anything you do in your life. Breath work, taking long deep breaths before you start your chanting, your meditation, your spiritual work, or any other work, you will see the difference in yourself. Okay, so breath work is very important. Now here, what breath work we are supposed to do? You can do Anilom Vilom. Okay, you can do that, or you can just take 7 deep breaths. 7 deep breaths. It has to go to your navel and then out from your mouth. 7 deep breaths. You sit there, you take 7 strong deep breaths. Calm yourself down, right? The second is grounding. Okay. Now, as you have taken your deep breaths, you're going to first ground yourself. Grounding is very important because we don't want to attract wrong energies here, right? Because that is going to be your protection. So you're going to sit and imagine as if you are so connected to Mother Earth that there are roots in your body, like a tree. You become like a tree, and the roots of your body coming from your root chakra are going into Mother Earth and holding Mother Earth strongly. So then nothing can shake you, nothing can move you. You're very calm and you're very stable at that time. You will automatically feel that stability in your life. The first thought you will get is, I am stable. That will also help you in generally in your life, if you anyways also do this. Okay. Now the third Third thing, you're going to just sit down with your folded hands, close your eyes, and you are going to pray upon. Now we are using angel guidance over here. Why angel? Because angels are messengers and they are going to help us to reach the divine source. Okay? We are going to use angel Metatron over here. Or if you feel you are more connected to any god, goddesses, you can connect to them also. Not necessarily the angel, but angel. Why? Because angel generally, normally people connect very easily. Okay, they connect very easily. So you are just going to sit and connect to the divine energy, to the angels, and you're going to put an intention that angel Metatron or any god, goddesses you believe in, okay, you are going to pray and put an intention. Angel Metatron, please help me, guide me to access the Akashic records over here and connect me to the divine energy and connect me to that information that I am looking for to change my life. Now, here you have to put a particular intention, like I am wanting to access the information about my relationship. Why do I have toxic relationship? Or you are going to put an intention, I am wanting to know about my money patterns or ancestral karma or whatever is your intention. You are going to say that out loud, okay, to angel Metatron, and pray, say your prayer, thank Metatron for helping you, guiding you. Use visualization. If you can visualize, it's one of the wonderful things that you can do. Close your eyes, visualize angel Metatron, imagine that he's in front of you and he's guiding you. Okay, now here, after the third step, you're going to close your eyes, keeping that intention, your intention in mind, and angel Metatron in mind, and saying the prayer. You are going to go slowly into meditation. You're going to close your eyes, you're going to visualize Metatron as if your energy is rising up into the ether, okay, into the Akashic realm, the ether, the space, okay, and there is a huge gate, a very big gate. Now, if you've seen these big bungalows, palaces, how they have huge gates, yes, you're going to imagine that gate. And after you imagine the gate, you will go in front of the gate and put your intention again that I want to enter the space and access my Akashic records. Now, over there, you will see there will be guardians. There will be guardian angels who are guarding that door. That is not angel Metatron, okay? They will be guarding the door. You are going to take permission. You're going to tell your intention that I am wanting to enter and access my Akashic records, okay, with the help of angel Metatron. This is what the intention you're going to put. And after you put the intention, those guardian angels are going to open the door for you. As you enter, you are going to go straight as if you're entering a library. Okay? Just enter the library. After you enter the library, you're going to meet angel Metatron over there, not on the gate. Remember, don't mistake the guardian angels, the guards that are standing on the gate, as angel Metatron. Okay, this is the difference you should be able to do. Why I made you do the breath work, why I made you break your belief system. This is why. Because if you don't break your belief system, if you don't do the breath work, you're going to mistake the angel and the guardian angels. You will not be able to know the difference. So as you walk into the library, Metatron is going to take you to that exact room where your file is stored. You will go into that exact room. You will remove that file. You will read. You will actually see. See, here your imagination is very important. Okay, here now, many people are going to read. Many people are going to hear. Many people are going to feel. Many people are going to smell. Okay, everybody has their own ability. Healers like us have it all. Like I have all the senses open. So you have to practice your visualization before you start reading your Akashic records. Go there, open the file, read whatever karma was there. Okay. Here now comes the fourth step. you are going to keep a pen and paper. You can already start with keeping a pen and paper with you in front of you, or a diary or anything. Diary is always better because it helps you, you know what happened before. You can, the next time you do it, you can connect to it. Now, whatever you read over there, you're going to open your eyes and note down. This, okay? There is an ancestral karma, or I did this in my past life, or this. You're going to write it down. After you write it down, you are going to then ask a question. Who am I? What is my purpose of life? Why do I exist? What is the pattern? Okay? What is the pattern? What I need to do to improve my situation? What is the karma and what is the lesson? Okay? I'm going to be putting the prayer of Metatron and the guardians and these questions in the description. So please go and see my description of this video. Okay? You're going to ask these questions and then you're going to automatically get answer from Angel Metatron or any god goddesses that you have imagined. Okay? Mostly I feel that many of you are going to connect to Kalima in this. So take all those answers. Again, write it down quickly. Thank Metatron. Okay, bow in front of the angel, in front of any god goddesses that you have taken, who have helped you in this. And then put an intention that I want to go back. Metatron is going to help you till the door and disappear. The guardians are going to open the door, and automatically in your meditation, you're going to come back. And here you have all your answers. You will be shocked, my tribe, the level of answers that you're going to get. लेकिन शर्त ये है imagination use करनी है. The only condition is that your imagination should be good, so you have to practice imagination if you're not good with it. You will be shocked how you will be helped by Kalima, by Metatron, or any other god goddesses you believe. And you'll be shocked at the answers you will get. Okay? The first time you do it, you write it down, connect the dots. It'll be absolutely exactly what your ancestral karma, your karma, or any lesson that you needed to learn. You will even get a remedy in how to improve your life. And the next time you do it, again write it down and connect the dots with the previous meditation you've done. Believe me, you will not need anybody. You won't need a healer like me or anyone else. This works like magic, and it is one of the most simplest technique that one can do. Okay? Go and avail your Akashic records yourself. The universe, God goddesses, Ma Kali, she wanted me to teach you this. And she wanted me to actually teach my tribe how to access the Akashic record. So please do it. I'm going to put information in my video. And anybody who can't really access it, who has a very closed third eye, please come to me. I will help you opening your third eye and access your Akashic record. I will do it. And be happy. Cut your patterns. Change your life. Earn more money. And, lead a good, smooth life. That was my intention of this video. So that's all for today. I hope you all like this video. Please do comment if you all want me to make more such videos for you. And do the sharing. नहीं तो मैं नहीं बनाऊंगी वीडियो. शेयर नहीं करोगे मेरा वीडियो तो. शेयर करो. Please share my video, because sharing is very important for content makers like me who make such meaningful videos. Okay? That's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. That's all for today. Hari Om Tat Sat.